Welcome back to Breath Bites. In today's episode, we're looking at foods that can actually make breathing harder. And one of the biggest culprits? Sugary foods, candies, sodas, and pastries. They may taste sweet, but for asthma, they come with a bitter side effect. When you eat too much sugar, it spikes inflammation. Refined sugar increases the release of inflammatory messengers like cytokines. In the lungs, that means more swelling in the airways and a higher chance of asthma flare-ups. Sugar also drives excess mucus production. Sticky mucus clogs narrow airways, making wheezing and coughing worse. High-fructose corn syrup in sodas does even more damage. It alters immune balance, making airways extra reactive to triggers like dust, pollen, or smoke. And pastries or cookies often carry trans fats. These unhealthy fats worsen lung inflammation and reduce overall lung resilience. The good news? There are healthier alternatives. Fresh fruits, dates, or even a small drizzle of honey can satisfy your sweet tooth without driving inflammation. So here's the takeaway. Limiting sugar means easier breathing and fewer flare-ups. Join us in the next episode where we uncover another group to watch out for, called junk foods.